I'm a Chief Technology Officer at Lithuanian Railways. Well, we'll look at the viable ideas. We have chosen some directions which we would like to be interested in. We are very much interested in robotics, energy management, and artificial intelligence. So these are the areas where we look for ideas, and then we try to get ideas into the company, see which prototypes could be viable, grow them up, and put them into production. We work with universities, even schools. We do hackathons even for the children from the schools because we have some interesting ideas. We work with accelerators. We work with startup companies from various associations from Europe, even the United States and other countries. So we look at all possible angles how to get the new ideas and prototypes in order to implement them in our company. First of all is decarbonization, where we call it electricity in our railways or any other fuel which has much more lower carbon, but this is target number one. Then very interesting idea which I would say just started is multimodal. If you take a simple car from the roads and you put them onto the train, you kind of decrease the carbon. That's a beautiful idea which you could work on. For us, what is also very important is robotization and automation of the processes. Because historically, railway is still very human-intense industry. So we try to play with robots, we try to look for the IT-based solutions, even using artificial intelligence and kind of making the photos of the rails itself and try to find the defects automatically. So it would be faster, much more viable and cheaper, to be honest. There are a lot of things happening in our industry. First of all, I'm very much looking forward to the high-speed innovation. So we can talk about the Hyperloop technology, which just started in the industry. We can look at the same intermodal, which I have mentioned, like you use different modes to transfer the same goods, but you need to have an integrated activities. Then there is a very big area of, let's call it sensor manufacturing. We need quite a lot of different sensors. We need to check if the rail is still good. We need to check if the fuel is good. We need to check how the passengers are feeling. So I suggest for startups just to develop ideas and try to present them to different companies, even internationally, all over the world, because the countries have different issues, they have different priorities. So if one company will not buy, maybe the other will.